All right, thank you very much. I'll make it really quick because with something so crucial for your events, we thought actually within 3 days we were not able to make any tools. But with a team of over 20 enthusiastic coders who developed like the whole night's tools, we actually came up with 8 new tools for you as event organizers. So let's start up with the first most important thing. We got a lot of inputs, feedback from you as a community, but also from TED itself. Like requests, like, okay, what kind of tools do you actually need as an event organizer to make your event even more sustainable or make it work better? The fun thing is that 95% of these tools were already available online. So we started off with listing all these tools and also make some manuals actually for you to use them, from free iPhone apps to WordPress templates, etc. It's a Google Doc and it will be shared really soon. So we have all these tools. Thanks. I only have 3 minutes, so hurry up. So we have now all these tools, but the problem is that a lot of people actually don't know how to set up an iPhone app or set up a WordPress template. So what we actually came up with is a tool. It's called Bloomfire. I can show you the tool right now, but if you just go to bloomfire.com, you'll see the tool. The great thing is that mentors, like veteran mentors, veteran TEDx organizers, can go online, create a profile, indicate the things where they would like to help the community out. So things like setting up live streams, setting up WordPress templates. And newbie TEDx organizers can then look in their profiles and contact the mentors. The great thing is also that all this documentation, all this communication will be there in the system, so you can always look it up. And another great thing is for this system we got a free license already for all of you, for the whole community. So let's quickly move on with the TED API. It's actually really unknown within the community, but this is an amazing tool. With the TED API, we can connect with all kinds of information from TED. They have loads of information, varying from information from events to talks, etc. So the great thing is that here developers can actually make all kinds of pieces of software which are fitting with this API. That's actually what we did. We made 3 great tools which are almost available for you. The first one is the regional project. So what's happening over here, you can just identify like, okay, this is the region in which I'm currently residing, or the regions in which I'm actually really interested in. And then you can make a widget or get a newsletter in which you actually can just get, like, for example, all the upcoming events in your region, the newest events, but also the most popular talks, etc. All tailored to your demands. So that's the newsletter and the widgets. The second thing is that JustFire actually made an online tool where you can easily make your own iPhone app. And the great thing is of this iPhone app, you can also, for example, make your own playlist of TED Talks. So this iPhone app is not only available for the iPhone, but you can also play it, for example, on your television. So I think that would be a really great contribution to the TED project as well. Then the next thing, and I'm really excited about this, we created the Twitter robot. So if you brought your phone, you can actually already test it. I'll show you how it works. Let me open up the... As you can see, what I actually did is I already asked the robot, so you just mentioned ask TEDx robot, like, okay, hello, how are you? And as you can see, it's responding like, camels are thirsty, TEDxSummit. Well, I mean, this is just a prototype. We can put in all kinds of messages, and it's like, the great thing of this is actually that people can mention the TEDx robot, and they can ask, for example, information up on all kinds of events, on talks, events in a region. We can even go further with quotes, etc. It's also spawning out all kinds of quotes, so it's one big tool. I'll hurry up, I'm sorry. The last one. This is the last project indeed. It's the Worlds project. It's actually about how to organize a whole event on your mobile phone. How to organize a TEDx event on your mobile phone. We got a lot of requests from the development countries. And what we actually came up with is this. Well, it's a framework. We created like all kinds of designs, and the whole plan is already ready. So we're ready to execute this iPhone app or mobile platform where you as a TEDx organizer can create your event on your mobile phone. So what's up next? Last slide. For now, in the next weeks, we'll launch all these apps, make them available for you. We'll establish an IT strategy. We're now looking also further at some other projects and which we'll execute. Form a team about that from all enthusiastic people. So if you're enthusiastic and getting involved in this, in these kind of teams, developing these tools, let us know. Even if you have a new project, please contact me.
Thank you.